Welcome back to the Telepeas channel. Today we're here at Nature's Hideaway Family Campground.
This campsite is located 20 minutes from Calgary and 15 minutes away from Okotoks. The Highwood River encircles the campground and serves as Nature's Hideaway's beach.
Pag naliligo kasi malamig pa eh. Ito yung beach site. Lindan! Sobrang lamig eh.
They offer activities such as movies and other multiple events from time to time. Dates and times are located on their website. They also have a playground as well as a dump site for $15 and a general store, all located in the entrance of the campsite. At Nature's Hideaway, they offer multiple different sizes of campsites depending on your preference. They also have a washroom that includes flush toilets, showers, and coin-operated laundry.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!